Welcome to another What I Ate, and this time it's what I had in Mall Road in Mussoorie. So firstly, the views getting there was stunning. Our hotel views were stunning. We started from our room with this cold coffee, went to Little Llama, and let me tell you, Little Llama has the best food in Mussoorie, hands down. Their bakes, their meze, their drinks, all of it was incredible. Then we walked down to the main Mall Road where we spotted a lot of ramen. We spotted a lot of phantom cigarettes, but this is what I really wanted. Extra spicy. Why laughing? This was definitely extra spicy. It had the kick, and if you're in Mall Road, definitely try laughing from here. Complete 5 out of 5. And then we headed to the iconic 6-in-1 kulfi, and I'm sorry, softy. And while it was really good, it was a lot of flavors together. And so I went in for my masala chai, and this was really good. And then we of course saw bhutta, so we got some sweet corn and